Today, the family is baking cookies together. The kids are so excited to help Mom. The children mix the flour and sugar carefully. Mom shows them how to stir properly. Mom adds eggs and butter. The children watch excitedly and help a little. The kids roll the dough into flat circles. Mom helps to make it smooth. They use cookie cutters to make fun shapes, stars, hearts, and circles. Mom carefully puts the cookies in the oven. The kids wait excitedly. The cookies are ready. The children taste them and say, "Yummy!" The family enjoys the cookies together. Baking is fun when everyone helps.
Thank you for baking with us today. See you next time.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Learning Jubilee channel.